Hello, friends, and welcome to Easy English Steps. I'm Finn, and this is your go-to channel to learn English the fun way, through stories, tips, and practice. Today, we're diving into an inspiring story about MrBeast, the biggest YouTuber in the world. From a small-town kid to a global star, his journey is full of lessons for all of us. So, grab a notebook, practice your listening, and let's get started. Once upon a time, in 1998, a boy named Jimmy Donaldson was born in Kansas, USA. He grew up in Greenville, North Carolina, a small town where life was simple. Jimmy was a quiet kid. He loved baseball, Legos, and watching YouTube. Back then, YouTube was new, and Jimmy dreamed of making videos someday. But his family thought school was more important. Study hard, get a job, they said. Sound familiar? At just 13, in 2012, Jimmy started his YouTube channel, MrBeast 6000. He had no money, no fancy camera, just an old laptop. His first videos were about video games like Minecraft and Call of Duty. Nobody watched them. 0 views, 0 likes. But Jimmy didn't care. He loved creating. He'd stay up late, learning how YouTube worked, how to make better titles, thumbnails, everything. It was hard, and he felt alone sometimes. Life wasn't easy. At 15, Jimmy got sick with something called Crohn's disease. It made him weak, so he stopped sports and focused on YouTube even more. Then, after high school, he went to college, but he hated it. After just 2 weeks, he quit. His mom was so upset, she told him to leave home. Imagine that. No money, no plan, just a dream. Many people would give up, but not Jimmy. Jimmy moved out and worked harder. For years, he made videos, but they got no views. He was broke, borrowing cameras, editing all night. His friends helped, but it was tough. Then, in 2017, something big happened. Jimmy made a video where he counted to 100,000, out loud. It took 40 hours, no sleep. He uploaded it, and boom, millions watched. People loved his crazy ideas. He kept going, spinning a toy for 24 hours, giving away money, doing wild challenges. Soon, MrBeast wasn't just about stunts. Jimmy started giving away thousands of dollars to strangers, waiters, even homeless people. Why? Because he grew up with little and wanted to help. His videos got bigger, and so did his heart. He planted millions of trees, cleaned oceans, and built a charity channel called Beast Philanthropy. Today, with over 375 million subscribers, he's the biggest YouTuber ever. But it wasn't all smooth. People criticized him, said his videos were fake or too crazy. His sickness made things hard, too. Still, Jimmy never stopped. His story teaches us, believe in your dream, work hard, and don't quit. If a small-town kid like Jimmy can change the world, so can you. That's it for today's story on Easy English Steps. I hope you enjoyed learning about MrBeast and practiced your English with us. Try this. In the comments, write one thing you learned today in English. Also, like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. Let's keep learning together. See you next time.